If you start your Ram 1500 in the morning and hear a loud ticking sound coming from the engine, do not ignore it. Dealerships might tell you that the Hemi Tick is completely normal, but as a mechanic, I'm telling you, it could easily cost you $4,000. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to tell if your engine is destroying itself or if you just have a cheap exhaust leak. There are two different sounds that plague the 5.7 Hemi. One is just annoying, but the other means your engine is actively dying.
Let's start with the cheap one, the exhaust manifold bolts. Because the Hemi runs so hot, the metal block expands and snaps these bolts off.
If the ticking sound is really loud when you start the truck cold, but gets quiet after the engine warms up, you are probably safe. That is just an exhaust leak sealing itself as the metal gets hot. It sounds terrible, but it won't destroy your internal engine components. If the ticking sound stays loud even after the truck is fully warmed up and you are driving around, you have a massive problem.
That consistent tapping means your hydraulic lifters are failing. When they fail, the roller stops spinning and starts grinding directly against your camshaft.
Every mile you drive with a bad lifter is sending tiny metal shavings throughout your entire engine block, destroying everything in its path. Before you pay a shop to diagnose it, you can actually test it yourself at home using nothing but a long screwdriver. Mechanics actually use a long metal screwdriver as a makeshift stethoscope. You just place the metal tip directly against the engine block. It works like a doctor's stethoscope. If the ticking is echoing deep inside the metal block, your lifters are failing. If it's outside, it's just the exhaust. So why does this happen to the Ram 1500 so often? It almost always comes down to poor lubrication and how you drive the truck.
The Hemi camshaft sits very high in the block. If you let your truck idle for long periods, the oil pump can't splash enough oil to the top.
Police cruisers and work trucks that idle all day are notorious for this exact failure. Idling is the #1 enemy of this specific engine. So how do you prevent a $4,000 repair bill? You have to change how you maintain this truck immediately.
First, look at your oil cap. The factory recommends 5W20 oil to meet emission standards, but many mechanics agree that is simply too thin.
A lot of high mileage owners switch to a slightly thicker 5W30 full synthetic oil. It provides a much better protective film over those vulnerable lifters. You also need to stop following the 10,000 mile oil change interval. You should be changing your oil and filter every 5,000 miles maximum. Finally, turn off the MDS cylinder deactivation system if you can, and completely avoid letting the truck warm up in your driveway for 20 minutes. The 5.7 Hemi is a legendary workhorse, but it requires old school maintenance. If you treat it right, it will easily run for hundreds of thousands of miles. Now that your engine is safe, you need to make sure you aren't missing the hidden features inside your cabin. Click the video on the screen right now to see them.